Hello. Today we're going to talk about web application pen testing. I apologize for my voice, I really have a bad cold. I'm going to use this vulnerable web application available in Georgia Weidman's book. I started out entering a single quote in a login field which caused the syntax error you saw just now. Very handy. If we now enter this injection in both fields, I was able to log in as Mike, very likely the first user in the database, without, of course, any password. Let's now make sure I redirected all traffic to our web server through Burp Suite so we can intercept it and manipulate it. You'll notice the GET request was intercepted, and that's what it looks like when you see it in Burp Suite. Now, if we click this link, it will show us the latest newsletter. Oh, I started another instance by mistake, sorry. I'm gonna close this. Okay, I exited out of that, and anyway, here you can see the parameters. You'll notice each user has a newsletter, and each newsletter is located in a folder created for every user. If I forward the request, this is what it looks like. This is the newsletter. However, we can manipulate the request to have system information. So if I change something here and I forward the request, I actually did something wrong. You'll notice another error here. But no big deal, you never had to give up. And in fact, I made an error manipulating the request, and that's what I wanted to obtain. That's really bad. You'll notice all the information in clear text from the website itself. I shouldn't be able to access this high-level information through the website interface. But that's not the only vulnerability this website is affected. We can also perform a command injection from the newsletter sign up input field. If I concatenate a command and I store it to text file, we can see the results from the ipconfig command on the underlying server. Now, I actually made a mistake here and I misspelled the file. I meant to call it tests.txt, but I ended up calling it text.txt. However, it shows up, the results of the ipconfig command. We shouldn't be able to do that. Alright, that's all for today. You'll notice once again how paramount it is to follow secure coding practices to make sure your website is hardened and is built up the right way to prevent such attacks from occurring. Alright, see you in the next videos. Bye bye.